Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Try. Today's video is about intraday trading of Bank Nifty, today's review and tomorrow's prediction. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. Learn small techniques and trade with no fear and no greed and keep your trading as simple as possible. We'll see today's Bank Nifty review of 25th August. Today's CPR is higher value CPR. It indicates bullish market, and also today's CPR is wide CPR. It indicates it is a sideways market. Opening candles opened between CPR and R1. It indicates today it's a bullish. Today is supposed to be bullish market as per the CPR, but here the opening candles, first candle, second candle and third candle, just see the opening candles, price has been rejected below R1 by the market. So market took coming down and it reached CPR. So CPR is home for candle and CPR attracts the candles. So today candles are very angry to go above and they are coming down and they wanted to settle in house of CPR. Just see, after coming here to CPR, candles traded in the CPR or close to CPR, barring these two candles. This spike candle again it has compensated, so it is totally it is a sideways market. CPR white CPR, it indicates it is a sideways market. See, market traded between 35,500 and 35. If you have taken set up the trade position at about fourth candle or a fifth candle, your range is 35,500 to 35,800. So market moved within this range. Yesterday we have told it is a non-directional. Traders has to take the trade, and directional traders no trade for today. Tomorrow's CPR is higher value CPR, means tomorrow's CPR is higher than the previous day CPR. That is, this is today's CPR, this is tomorrow's CPR. It is higher than the ascending order CPR. It indicates tomorrow is the bullish, and also it is little narrow CPR. It indicates tomorrow is trending market, again depending upon the opening candle. Tomorrow is the trending market. So non-directional traders has to avoid the market. Directional traders, they can take the trade depending upon the tomorrow's opening candle. Make a proper trade setup and then trade with no fear and no greed, and keep your trading as simple as possible. Tomorrow's CPR is at 35,700. R1 levels 100 points jump 35,800. Previous day high 35,900. R2 is at 36,100. These are all the upper side levels. If the candles opened above CPR, these are all the key price indicators of CPR. Coming to downside, previous day low is at 35,500. This is today's low at 35,500. S1 35,400, S2 35,300, almost 100 points difference. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry day. You can set up some weekly expiry trade setups. To learn all these things, we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to learn trends, chart reading, candlesticks, Heikin-Ashi, moving average. These are all the technical learning, and also CPR indicator and price actions, options basics to options advanced, building up strangles, and also CPR indicators and their tricks. To learn and earn, contact 96866 85157. Today, some misunderstanding of breakouts. So it is not the breakout. This is also not the breakout. When candles is going up from down to up, previous day high, we can say it is a breakup. When it is crossing R1, we can say it is a breakup. Or if it is coming from the upside at 36,000, and if it is trading below 36,000, we can say breakup. So today some of the traders, they misunderstood the what is the, this is also not the breakout. To learn all these things, you can contact 96866 85157. Thank you.